Alright, اليوم غادي ندو YouTube and diagnose how the API work. Why do I need this? Because their API v3 they don't provide the get first video uploaded on the channel. It's not on the go, and on their website there is the oldest option. So why don't they provide that on the v3 API? So I started diagnose how this shit work. Of course, I did my search on Google, and apparently even like I don't know 6 years ago, but still the API is not available, which is that's Google anyway. Okay, and the guy said there is no undocumented in reverse order, so we need something here. Okay, and of course I'm a genius, so I started to diagnose how YouTube work. Okay, so yeah, first of all, I did of course it's an aspect element. You will go to the network, and let me just take off my face right here. Yes, and I will click on the oldest, and directly we will get this a this response. Okay, let's read this response. Obviously it's a post request, which is a little bit achievable with Postman. Okay, it can be achievable with Postman, and the response is a JSON. Okay, so apparently this one is an Axios or jQuery, whatever. And yeah, let's search with this shitty video. By the way, this is the first one. Okay, so and yeah, there's the video. So we have a hope. So let's just copy this URL to the let me show you to Postman. Okay, there we go, and we test it out again. Okay, and yeah, it's still working, like very big smoke. This is the first video, by the way. So I thought that, hey, I found a way how to make this work anywhere, but I started removing these parameters because they are useless. So yeah, even though if you like remove most of them, it's still working, but the most important one is this continuation token. Okay, and there's an issue. I found that we have a URL here. Okay, we have a URL here. Okay, so I thought that I'm just gonna change this URL and it will work. Apparently it didn't, and I realized that this token should be changed or updated. Okay, so I was thinking like, hey, this API has a token, where did it came from? And I noticed that when you refresh the video or the page, you should get this response, which is an HTML. Okay, and I try to search if there is a token that is similar to this structure. I found out there is this word called continuation, I think, continuation, item render. No, not the item render, there is continuation command, I guess. Yeah, it should be 6. Okay, like I noticed that in, let me just, yeah, I noticed that in every video, okay, in every HTML response, we will get this at least 6 continuation command. Okay, and I try to see which one is the correct. Apparently there are 3 that are correct. One is for the latest, second is for the popular, and the last one is for the oldest. Last one is the 4th. Okay, so let's just go to the 4th one, and we copy this one. Okay, and we try it again here. Okay, Okay, so, and yeah, let me just do a very, yeah, it's working. Let me show you that if we change the API, the token I mean, let me just try another token. Where is it? The third one, or the second one, okay? Second one, it should give me the, let me show you. Okay, so if I do very, there's no very big smoke like the first video, it doesn't get returned. I have to click skidb toilet, okay? So if I do skidb toilet, we have the data, okay? So I am in the right path. My path, I have to get the HTML code from YouTube, okay? Then I will try to find with regex or regex a token of continuation called continuation token, okay? And I will use it on the second API to get the oldest one. And voila, we got the API. So that's what I have done on the Xano function. By the way, Xano is a no-code platform. Obviously, it's not for me. If it was my project, I will just do it with coding or just web scraping the page. But yeah. Anyways, so yeah, first of all, I already have the database of channels, okay? I will get 50 of them because the API call of YouTube handle only 50 videos. So yeah, I will get 50 channel that I have that should be updated with the first video uploaded, okay? Of course, I will get the channel ID, I will build the URL, feed it on the API call that should give me the HTML code, and I will do some regex code. I will try to find the continuation command, and after continuation command, there should be a JSON, okay? And since we have a stable continuation command variable, we have 6 like most of the time, we will get the fourth one, okay? Index 3 because we start with 0. We do a sleep because I don't know, just to make sure that I will not overuse the API. I will get the oldest videos with the API, and I will get the ID, d'accord, and push it into the array because this is Xano. It's a node code platform, and this array I will turn it into a list. I will create a snippet just for the second API. This API is not mine, it's a legal API. It's a v3 API with a token. Okay, I will feed it with video IDs list. I will track the quota just to make sure that I'm not overusing the API because the client is paying for the API. And yeah, I will remove or take off the videos, video ID, channel ID, and published ad. Finally, I will update the channels. Okay, since we already have the channels in the API response, I will just use it directly. Okay, and surprisingly, this should work well. So if I do run, okay, I will wait a little bit because it's 0.5 second in each call. So yeah, in the meanwhile, I will go to the database, showing you the result. Okay, yeah, it's not working well yet. First published yet, last update. YouTube channel. Okay, hopefully it works. What is wrong with you, bro? Okay. Oh yeah, it's fine. Like I have to wait a little bit because yeah, the update is here, so I have to wait 0.5 second multiplied by 50, so 25 second, which is kind of correct. Okay, and if I refresh, so here is the whole. Let's test the if the result is accurate. I don't know why this one wasn't available, so yeah, I will do it manually because I'm afraid something happening here. So yeah, where is the 2007 or 2017 created on 2016? So yeah, this channel. Okay, let's see this channel. Okay, it's Emma. Okay, so trying a tall. Okay, so let's see. This is the, yeah, this is correct. Okay, yeah, this is correct. Trying a towel 6 years ago. So basically this is how I did the diagnosis and how do I get in illegal way, obviously, but this is not hacking, this is just a trick. So yeah, anyways,